welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different but still hopefully fun because I'm going to be doing a ukulele tutorial for the song 8 by Billie Eilish. I'm very excited about it. I've been playing ukulele for about 2 years, but recently because of quarantine and stuff I've really been getting more into it, and I also got my own ukulele because I was playing my sister's for a while. And 8 by Billie Eilish is one of my favorite songs to play. It's super easy, it sounds really great. It's especially fun because I feel like a lot of Billie Eilish's songs she actually does play on the ukulele, and 8 is one of them. So it kind of sounds better to do yourself on the ukulele, and this song is super easy and really fun to play, so I'm excited to teach you guys how. So let's get into it. So quickly before we get into the actual tutorial, I want to talk about the ukulele I'm going to be using. So this is the Ranch Mahogany Concert Ukulele, and I got it off of Amazon. This was actually gifted to me by my family like 3 weeks ago for my birthday, like I talked about. But I had my eye on this one for a while. I believe it was like $65, but it came with this ukulele. It also came with like a gig bag and a tuner and some picks and a strap, like a little like beginner kit sort of stuff. So all around, I've been loving this ukulele. It's really great quality. I'll make sure to link it down below if you guys are interested. But overall, I've really been loving this ukulele. The sound is really nice, really pretty. So yeah, I've really been liking this ukulele, but obviously whatever ukulele you have, it's gonna work just fine. So let's get into the tutorial. So for this song, you're only gonna need 4 chords, which are C, M, A, J, 7. I don't know how else you would say that, but it sounds like this. Just wanted to quick pop in and say that I'm stupid because it's pronounced C major 7, not C, M, A, J, 7. Don't know why I didn't fully think that through till now, but hopefully that's helpful because you should probably actually know what the chord is called, but it's C major 7, so yeah. D minor and G. So if you don't already know like how those chords would look, I'm gonna walk you through them a little bit more. So for C, you're gonna put your ring finger on the last string on the 3rd fret. For C, M, A, J, 7, you're gonna put your middle finger on the last string on the 2nd fret. For D minor, you're gonna put your pointer finger on the 3rd string 1st fret, your middle finger on the 1st string 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the 2nd string 2nd fret. And then G, the last one, you're gonna put your ring finger on the 3rd string 3rd fret, your middle finger on the 2nd string 2nd fret, and your pointer finger on the last string 2nd fret. So those are the 4 main chords that you'll need in the song. It just uses those 4 over and over again. I feel like these are pretty easy and not too difficult, but if you haven't played these very much or don't know them very well, you can pause the video and kind of practice strumming on each of those, kind of get used to the putting your hand in those positions. And I will also put up pictures on the screen, as you've probably already seen, to help you visualize what they look like even more, because it's kind of hard for me to show you. But those are the chords we will be needing for this song. Now for the strumming pattern. First off, if you're a beginner or if it's easier for you, you can just do 1 down strum on each chord, because that'll sound fine too. But the one that I like to use that I feel like sounds really good with this song is down, down, up, up, down, up. So I'll put that on the screen too. If you want to screenshot it or something. And then I do it twice on each chord. So like on C, I would go down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, and then switch down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That's my favorite strumming pattern for this song. I feel like it sounds right and it sounds like what she's doing in the actual song. I've seen different people say different things on different tutorials, but that's the one I use. I also feel like this strumming pattern is pretty popular and a lot of songs use it. So that is the one I've been doing, but you're also, like I said, you can also just do one down strum, or if you have a different strumming pattern you think sounds better, feel free to use that. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this song. It's just those 4 chords progressions over and over again. So altogether it would sound like this. So it's pretty much that over and over again, and you have learned how to play the song 8 by Billie Eilish. Okay, so now I'm gonna play through the whole thing, just so you guys can learn a little bit about it. Feel free to play along with me. I'm actually going to be playing along to a recording that I found online called Billie Eilish 8 without ukulele, so you can kind of do the ukulele yourself. I will link that video also down below if you want to go find it yourself, but it's nice to kind of figure out like how fast to strum and like get to actually do it with her voice. So let's get into it, and feel free to grab your ukulele and do it along with me. Okay, so that was me playing along to only half the song because I didn't want to do the whole thing, but if you guys want to go find the recording, like I said, you can find it down below. You can also look up the lyrics and sing it yourself. But yeah, this song is so fun to play, and I feel like it sounds really great on ukulele. It's great for beginners. It might take a little bit of practice, but I feel like for the most part this song is pretty easy. And yeah, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any tips for me, things you liked, things you didn't like about this tutorial, let me know. So if I decide to do another one, I can know what was helpful and what wasn't helpful and that sort of stuff. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to subscribe and see more videos, you can do that down below. And yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!